Hit it!
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running like the river, but they all never come for the booze and bass. I'm the one, I'm the lady that'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place.
And now, I officially welcome you to enjoy our Christmas party. 7th DCAC Christmas Party 2024.
Ituring ang iyong sariling tagahawi ng ulap sa kalangitang kulimlim.
Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon, 7th DCNC.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, 7th DCNC. Thank you, 7th DCNC, and more blessings to come.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, 7th DCNC.
Maligayang Pasko, 7th DCNC. Thank you for inviting us. You're the best.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you for being listening to us.
Paskong Pinoy sa 7th DCNC.
Liwanag sa dilim. At sa paghamon mo.
Thankful for, so we are thankful for each and one of you. Dili sa iyo ng mga sacrifices na inyong gibuhat. Kung sana nagpakita ka ng Christmas party, I know busy kaya ta, pero na-adjust mo time and effort, grabe yung effort. So, nagpakita dyan na yung sasadang inyong dedication sa tangkatan.
Sa una, murag farm, daghan kay animals karon. Kau na nga ang hinahanap ng puso ko.
Ikaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag.
So for this year, we will have no changes from last year. We still have 100% of your monthly salary. So thank you so much for everything.
Una sa tanan, pasalamat ko sa atong labaw na makagagahom kay gihatagan na butag laing higayon na maka-celebrate sa ato ang tinuig na Christmas party sa bisan pa sa kabisi sa panahon, no, kay Christmas karon December. Gihatagan din nila higayon na makaari diri para ma-enjoy ang atong Christmas party.
Liwanag, isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing.
Count yun kayo na mo every paningkamot ninyo, no? Nakita na mo. Ako lang hangyo na mas maningkamot pag yun tayo next year. Kaya para every year yun, naagyo tayo pag-ong ika-offer. Kaya kinitanan para manggini na to.